friends, my name is Sandra and you're watching Micro Moments. For today's video, I'll take you to my favorite hangout place after work. You know what? Food tastes so special. Though it's so simple, tastes so special if you eat it here. Yeah. Eating my third meal of the day, friends. Yeah. And my meal cost just 29 kroner. 29 Norwegian kroner. Fish curry plus vegetables. Why is it that my meal is so cheap? It's because it's 50% off after 2 p.m. Yes, friends. It's 50% off from 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. because canteen closes at 2:30 p.m. While eating my food, that's my view. Birds. Wild birds at the river bank. Hmm? Wild birds at the river bank.